Hey there, scholars. We are going to be exploring mechanical energy today. So you guys had created a foldable, and so melts, mechanical, electrical, light, thermal, sound. So we're looking at mechanical, machine parts, machine, moving parts, movement, motion, all of that. So for this, we are going to be making Geo Flyers. So go ahead and write lab mechanical energy. And so we are going to, first step is make sketches of the Geo Flyers. And so let me show you what they look like. So I didn't get a chance to make copies and put this in your science STEM folder, but I can definitely email a copy to your parents and y'all can print it on cardstock. But basically you cut these two out and then you fly by giving one blade a sharp wrap with your finger. Make sure you wear safety goggles when you do this. So this is what they both look like. So we're going to make sketches. So that's one Geo Flyer. And the other one, it's kind of like the letter Y. So if you had me last year, actually no, we did not get to this because of Corona, but we were going to be exploring the different types of angles. And so there is something called a right angle, which makes a corner just like that. It's like the corner of the letter L. And it can be, it can be this way. It can also be this way. It can also be this way. So this Geo Flyer has right angles. This is a right angle. Right angles only. This right here is a right angle. 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 So here's a smaller one to show you. I can even do this, and you can see that this is a right angle. Now this one, let me just make a right angle here. If you notice, this Geo Flyer sticks out more. So this gets moved beyond the letter L. So this is actually called an obtuse angle. And I know this one looks like a letter L, but trust me, it's an obtuse angle. Here, let me show you. So this is a right angle. If it truly was a right angle, it would match up with this. But this extends beyond it. So this is known as an obtuse angle. So it's made of obtuse angles all the way around. So we are going to test both of them. So before I make a video of me using them, I want you to write some unanswered questions you might have about this Geo Flyer. So draw the unanswered questions icon and maybe you can get the questions answered as I do the lab, as I do the experiment. And then in the very end, I want y'all to answer this question. How does this Geo Flyer show evidence of mechanical energy? You need to be ready to have a 1 to 2 sentence to write for that. So if you need to pause to copy all of this, go ahead before I start doing the experiment.